Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel of day 6 in Learning Abacus with Fatima. In the previous videos, we learned about simple addition and subtraction, and today we are going to learn about small friends. If this is your first time on my channel, do watch my previous videos and don't forget to subscribe to my channel so that you don't miss out any updates related to Learning Abacus. Now before we start, let's have a quick recap. The first one, 84 less 32. How do we do 84? 84 less 32. So less 30 less 2. The answer is 52. Correct. Next one, 61 add 25. 61 add 25. 25. What is your answer? 86. Good. The next one. 214 add 130. 214 add 130. Your answer is 344. The next one, 768 less 252. 768 less 252. 252. So the answer is 516. Okay. Now let's do 3 plus 1. 3 add 1. The answer is 4. Now what if I want to do 3 add 2? Add 2. Now what do? I don't have enough beads. So now we are going to use the help of small friends. Now these are small friends. What are small friends? In small friends we have the numbers 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5 is the boss number. 5 is always the boss number in small friends. Now how do we get small friends? In the small friend, we always have to check. We need to add two numbers. The total should be 5. Now, if we add 1 plus 4, you get the answer 5. 2 plus 3, you get the answer 5. 3 plus 2, you get 5. 4 plus 1, you get 5. So, I can say 1 is the friend of 4. 2 is the friend of 3. 3 is the friend of 2 and 4 is the friend of 1 and 5 is the boss number. Let's go back to the question. Okay, so now let's go back to the question. The question was 3 plus 2 equals 3 plus 2. Let's do this with the help of small friends. The first one. The first step is 3. We place 3 here. Now we need to add 2. We don't have enough beads. So we take the help of small friends. Now we have to check who is the friend of 2. Who is the friend of 2? So we know that 3 is the friend of 2. Okay, by looking at this, we know 3 is the friend of 2. So we already have 3 on the abacus and now 2. How do we place 2? We add the boss. We know 5 is the boss. So we add the boss and we less the friend of 2. Less the friend of 2 means 3. We less 3. So we get the answer 5. Let's do this again. We have the question 3 add 2. So with 3, I place, the first step is you place number 3 here. Second step, you check, do I have 2? No, I don't have enough beads here. So I go to the small friends. I have to find out who is the friend of 2. Who is the friend of 2? 3 is the friend of 2. So add the boss, that is add the 5, and remove the friend of 2, that is 3. So my answer is 5. Okay, let's do the next one. If I say 3 plus 3, let's do the next one. 3 add 3. Again, the first step is 3. I place 3 here. Next step, again add 3. I don't have enough beads. So I have to look for 3's friend. Who's the friend of 3? 2. So add the boss and less the friend of 3. Who's the friend of 3? 2. I less 2. So my answer is 6. Okay. Let's try one more. 4 plus 2. Okay. 4 add 2. Who's the friend of 2? Tell me. The friend of 2 is 3. So what do? Add the boss. Very good. And less the friend of 2. Means I have to less how much? 3. So my answer is 6. Okay. You just have to add the boss. Who's the boss? 5. And less the friend. Okay. Okay, let's try one more. 4 plus 4. Now 4. I place 4 here. Okay, I want to look for the friend of 4. Who's the friend of 4? We all know 4's friend is 1. So again, let's say this. Add the boss, I add the 5 and less the friend. So 4's friend is 1. So I less 1. So my answer is 8. Okay. Can you try one more for me? Okay. Now you have to do this. 3 plus 4. Okay. How will I do this? First, we place 3. Okay. Then, next step, do we have enough beads? No. So I have to add 4. Who's the friend of 4? 1 is the friend of 4. So, add the boss, and less the friend. So, who's the friend of 4? 1. I just have to less 1. So my answer is 7. Yes? Okay, let's try 4 add 1. Can we do this? 4 add 1. The first step. Okay, we add 4. Correct? We don't have enough beads now. I need to still add 1. So who is the friend of 1? 4. Who's friend of 1? 4. So add the boss. Add the boss and less the friend of 1. That is 4. So my answer is 5. I also have a small tip for you. So if you're keen to learn Abacus regularly, so when we are going outside, just read the number plates of other vehicles, okay, and try to add them, try to visualize them. Now this is Abacus. You can try and imagine these beads in your mind and you can just add them. The more you visualize, the more it will help in learning Abacus. It also helps to improve your mental and analytical skills. I hope you have understood the concept of addition using small friends. And if you have any queries or you want to give any feedback, just comment below. Your opinion means a lot to us. I'll post my next video on subtraction using small families. Thank you for watching. If you have any doubts related to this topic or previous topics, kindly message me. I will make another video that can help you understand better. Till then, stay in touch and keep practicing and keep mastering the technique of Abacus. Do subscribe to my channel and stay tuned for more updates. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video. Allah Hafiz.